Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is World Health Summit 2023. The World Health Summit 2023 is a global event focused on addressing key health challenges and promoting collaboration in the field of global health. During the summit, the Union Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare emphasized the importance of a comprehensive strategy to tackle non-communicable diseases, that is NCDs. The summit's theme, a defining year for global health action, reflects its focus on driving global health initiatives and collaboration. India's key points include the 75-25 initiative. India aims to screen and provide standard care for 75 million individuals with hypertension and diabetes by 2025, making it a significant global expansion of NCD management in primary health care. National NCD Program. India launched the National Program for Prevention and Control of Non-Communicable Diseases in 2010 under the National Health Mission to strengthen infrastructure, human resources, health promotion, early diagnosis and management. Comprehensive Primary Health Care, that is CPHC. Population-based screening is implemented under Comprehensive Primary Health Care across Ayushman Bharat Health and Wellness Centers for individuals aged 30 and above, targeting common NCDs like hypertension, diabetes, oral cancer, breast cancer and cervical cancer. Digital health initiatives. Technology, including the National NCD portal, plays a crucial role in improving NCD management, ensuring data availability, and maintaining a single longitudinal health record for individuals through a unique health ID.